Experiencing disconnects between your AirPods Pro 3 and iPhone? Don't worry, most issues are easily resolved. First, ensure both your iPhone and AirPods have the latest software. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. For AirPods, simply keep them in their case near your iPhone. Updates install automatically. Next, try resetting your AirPods. Open the case, press and hold the button on the back for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber. Finally, forget and repair your AirPods in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. This simple sequence resolves most connectivity problems quickly. If issues persist, move on to more advanced steps. If basic fixes didn't work, start with your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, toggle it off, wait about 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. This can resolve temporary connection issues. Next, check your battery optimization settings. Aggressive power saving can interfere with Bluetooth connections. Go to Settings, Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. Make sure optimized battery charging isn't causing issues. For spatial audio issues, try toggling it off. Go to Settings, tap your AirPods, then turn off spatial audio with head tracking. This feature can sometimes cause connection problems. As a deeper step, reset your iPhone's network settings. This clears all network-related data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode. If these advanced steps don't resolve the issue, it could indicate a hardware problem. Contact Apple support for further assistance or warranty options. Check your device's warranty status online.